Welcome back to our video series all about Google Gemini. Today we are exploring and creating gems. To access these gems, you'll first navigate to your Gemini account. On the left of your screen, you'll see a heading labeled Gems. First, we're going to take a moment to explore the pre-made gems that are available right here in your Gem Manager. As you can see, there's quite a variety, all the way from a writing editor to the Women's World Cup. Notice that some of these pre-made gems are experimental, so they may only be available temporarily. These ready-to-go gems are a great way to spark ideas and see how others are using Gemini. But here's where the real magic happens when you create your own gem. Think of this like designing your dream digital assistant. You can set up your gem with the exact personality, context, and expertise that you want. You'll fill in the necessary details of the name, description, and instructions. Think of this exactly like the role, context, and expectations that were discussed within the previous prompting video. Now, the knowledge section is where your gem really starts to shine. You can upload key documents like pacing guides, curriculum maps, or even the entire breakdown of your subject's SOL. That way your gem always knows your expectations and matches your style every time you use it. This also helps to ensure that the resources you create stay aligned with your classroom needs as well as the SOLs. As you fill out each section, a preview will generate on the right-hand side of your screen. When you're satisfied with all of the information you've uploaded, simply click the Save button. Then, your new gem will appear right here in your Gem Manager. Another wonderful thing about creating a custom gem is that you also have the option to share it with others. This operates in the exact same fashion as other Google products such as Docs or Slides. You can type in the specific name of a person you'd like to share this with. You can copy the link to share it with them, or you can adjust the share permissions right here under General Access. Now you're officially ready to explore, create, and collaborate using Gemini Gems.